Hey everyone, in this video we will make sentences of 10 English words. So let's start the video. First word is doll. And the sentence is, my doll has blue eyes. Second word is basket. She put the biscuits in the basket. Next word is sky. The sky is clear today. Next word is sun. Protect yourself from sun rays. Next word is teach. My sister teaches English. Number 6, house. Our house has 3 bedrooms. Number 7, play. And the sentence is, the kids are playing in the lawn. Number 8, allow. Please allow me to leave. Number 9 is run. The rabbit runs very fast. And number 10 is honest. He is an honest policeman. I hope you like the video. If you like it, do not forget to subscribe. Till next video, take care of yourself.